Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at the XVG targets updates with my customer set. Guys, we track this FIB since June 2023. So this was an impulse correction to 78 level by FIB in the range 78.86. We hold the line till penny bounce it. After that, reach it that 27 block where we need to fix the profit for the local trade. After that, you can see we formed the 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, 3, and I'm not remove the FIB because everything what you see on the chart is just a basic algorithm, and the price all the time come back to the levels, if the FIB market correctly. So impulse, here's a touch, rejection 27 block, touch, hold the line with the body candle, even 3 drives pattern, and after, imagine after it was the summer 2023, after the 2 years in October 2025, we come back and test 78 level by FIB in October on Donald Trump dump. So after we hold the line at 61 and now trade between 0.2079 and 0.2046, so 23 and 61. What next? Main support still the same, and still the same zone of fixation. Where to open the trade, guys? If you don't see any setup, just better skip the trade, even it's a futures or a spot, because you want to buy now, for example, for the spot. But if you're not ready to see the 65% losses, just better don't touch the token. But of course, now I still believe the spring 2026 can be the green one for the altcoins, but we have to build the realistic price targets and how high the XVG can pump. I think I'm more than sure we will hit over than 2 cents, and after that we need to rebuild the FIB, and mark totally another levels. If we double check the XVG, the Verge, the global targets, so it was a local one. If we talk about a global one, here's a 5 cents. It was a main target, what I posted in the main bull plan for XVG. So I highly recommend you go and check the main video. Globally, since top in May, support 27 level, the same, but for accumulation this is a monthly time frame. Weekly chart looks like this one. So top touch, bounce, 27 block for accumulation, bounce 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, correction, hold the line at 18. So everything should be synchronized if we determine the levels correctly. So time after time you can adjust it. This FIB I'm not touching, not this one, not the previous one. So the main target, I think, the top for this token can be the 5 cents. Yes, it's not so attractive, but it's amazing result if the XVG will reach this target. So it's around 3K 800. So this is it, guys. Also take a look. The last bull run, if we count from the COVID dump, this token pump at 5,400. From the October 2020, it's 2,200. So next levels like 1 cent 68, 3 cents 28, 426, 506. It's the next target for the bull run for a spot position. If we'll see the main perform from the altcoins and the BTC dominance will go down under 55%. Where to buy again? It's the same zone of accumulation for investment. Locally daily, of course, you can go to the previous chart on the Binance and track the local one. So let's focus now on the local zones. Double check with just the daily time frame. So weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, I highly recommend you go and check with Gearset and add alerts. Now let's focus on the local one. Is it accumulation or distribution? Technically, it's a distribution, but we can form the divergence and go to the 1 cent 52. So this one. And no signals to sell based on direction indicator. 12 time frame, here what I'm talking about, we can form the bigger divergence. So this already divergence, and we can form the third wave up to the top, and it's going to be the 27 block distribution. No signal to sell based on direction indicator. I highly recommend you guys go and check the main video for XVG, so you understand the logic, even the updates after the pump in Zone 23 and the main bull run plan. Market smooth daily. It's aphasia. Time to buy was here in the capitulation. Weekly, it's aphasia on a weekly. Even 12 time frame, of course, it's a distribution. So be careful. Money power daily. Money in was here in December 16, 17. Some money outflow step by step. I think we can go higher and see the more money outflow. Weekly, still no money outflow. Let's add alerts to the money outflow on the weekly. Today we saw a lot of this one alerts, which already triggered it. I added in the recent videos. Last 20 indicators, trade on. Sell, buy back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 or 7 signals was a buyback, but not see the signal take profit. By the way, take a look how the price respect the level. 12 time frame. Here's a take profit from the sales, buy, take profit from the buy, sell, and I think soon we will see another signals to sell. Weekly, also no signal to for take profit. And the last one indicator is take profit. It's here. The take profit line, it's 0.2084, exit line 0.2095, buy line daily, it's 0.2042. For the while we were already retested till penny here in October. Let me check the global weekly. Here we stop it at the take profit line on the weekly. Exit line, it's 0.2092. Do we have a yes? This one, the monthly. We retested the buy line in the monthly, and now the road can be open to 1 cent 11, exit line 1 cent 25. It's the take profit line and the exit line. So guys, I highly recommend you add alerts and track it, and double check once again the global bull run plan and the local zones. To buy now, I can't say it can be the good entry because we need to see some maybe a small pullback, and after that re-enter at this order block. So 0.206, it can be the good entry. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer care site and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.